Hi everyone, I'm Shelly Gupta, founder and CEO of BāKIT Box. It's Saturday morning and you've spent all week trying to figure out what activity to do with your kids. It has to be something that will help them learn, will keep their attention, and that you can be part of, but it also needs to be fun, a new experience, and doesn't require an IKEA-like assembly just to get started. Not even Mary Poppins can pull this off, yet parents are facing the same dilemma week after week after week. Explore a world of experiences with BāKIT Box. BāKIT Box is the at-home family baking kit that teaches STEM lessons through food and culture. From Persian love cake to South African black pepper cookies to Mexican churros, hop around the map as your kids' taste buds and neurons get treated. Every ingredient is pre-measured with easy color-coded recipes and even learning activities for when the item is in the oven. Now, we are not just another cookie cutter meal kit. We are the only family-focused educational kids product combining STEM, food, and culture. We sell both subscriptions and one-time purchases of our product. Our menu ranges from single kit offerings like the Persian love cake to themed adventures such as our Forces of Nature 3-kit bundle highlighting Earth Day, the Ring of Fire, and earthquake engineering. And BāKIT Box is a hit. We've sold over 30,000 in our first 6 months with a 5-star customer rating, and we're raising capital to create the next generation of memories. And through a ton of testing, we found our sweet spot. Based on customer feedback, we introduced STEM in late 2023, and this led us down a path of partner-led growth strategy, including homeschooling, seasonal retail products, and brand partners. And just to give you a snapshot of how big these markets are, there are over 3 million kids enrolled in homeschooling today with over $200 million in state funding. And we are officially approved as homeschooling curriculum in 3 states with more applications on their way. With BāKIT Box, win Saturday morning, Sunday afternoon, and every other opportunity for family time. Thank you.